Hi, Claudia here. I'm sorry, I don't know what happened, but my camera turned off, and so I'm back. I was telling you to how do I make my little booklet. I bet all of you know how, but I'm gonna show you how I do it. I put some glue to keep the pages together. I glue this one here. You will see now. And I flip it over. Okay. And oops, I forgot to put glue in the back too. And obviously you have to wait a little bit. But once it's dry, you have your little booklet for the project. Okay, so let's put the booklet there. And just to say thank you for being with me. I'm sorry the other one ended so suddenly, but was my phone decide to end the video. Okay, so thank you very much. See you soon. Bye bye. Have a great day.